Hey seniors! So, first of all, I miss you guys so much. I miss being around you, talking with you, laughing with you, and spending the majority of our day together in band hall. I'm so sorry that your senior year was modified and different than we all expected. And I wanted to say that you all have been such great role models, both before and after distance learning. Those of you that I've seen in class and on the Google Meets have seemed so calm and understanding that this is beyond our control. We all know how crazy our current situation is, and for you all to set this aside and be positive is so inspiring and impressive. Lake Catholic is so lucky to have such a great responsible representatives of our community. Please know that you will be missed so much next year, and I cannot wait to see you soon. Bye.
To all of you seniors, you will be dearly missed. Becca, I hope you get to redeem that free ice cream cone at any hospital. I don't know which ones take the account for that. Ellie, I was gonna remember that time that you came in with that alien spaceship for your snare. I mean, I'm always gonna remember that time that we did that thing. All of you were very supportive, very kind people. You were very welcoming to the community. And no words can describe how much you'll be missed and how much of an influence you had on all of us. How nice it was to have someone above you with a smiling face that was looking out for you always. I will always appreciate our seniors. I will always remember you all. You meant the world to me, and you made my world so much better. Love you all.
Hey seniors, I want to say congratulations on making it through 4 years of high school. You did it. You deserve to go celebrate. So I just want to say thank you for being great role models to me and just being so fun and just making my freshman and sophomore year the best it can be. So thank you so much, and I can't wait to see what you guys do and who you become, and I know you'll do great things. Bye!
Hey seniors, thanks for being such great role models for me and the other underclassmen. I really appreciate it, probably more than you realize. And I'll really miss you next year, so congratulations and good luck. Bye.
Hello seniors, I just wanted to say good luck on your future endeavors. It was really fun working with you guys on the fall playing the musical. I wish nothing but the best for you guys. And I hope you guys come back and see us again. Hopefully you guys can visit once in a while. But until that time, I will see you guys.
Hi, class of 2020. I know times are crazy and hard right now, but I just want to make this video so you guys know how much I absolutely care about you guys, and I miss you all so much. I've created so many great stories and memories with you guys that I don't even know where to start, and I definitely cannot name them all. But whether it be a musical or a play or like a football game, you guys add something so special to that, and I think it's great how us underclassmen have such great role models to look up to. And one of those role models for me is definitely Emmy Ertl. You've been such a great inspiration to me, and I think it's really cool how you've inspired me in so many different ways, especially during marching band. You've inspired me to try out for drum major and all of these other things, and just your personality is so like loving and caring, and I love you so much for that. Along with all of the other seniors in marching band, you guys have created such a great place for anybody who's joining to be like themselves, and I think it's really cool how we're able to live on to that legacy. So yeah, thanks again for absolutely everything, and congratulations on graduating. I hope you guys all have a great summer, and I love and appreciate you all very much.
Hey seniors, hope you're doing well. I miss you all very much. I'm gonna miss you so much next year. Hope you guys have a really great time in college and stay strong. Sorry that the end of the year was cut so short for you guys. I'm gonna miss all the fun times we had in marching band, concert band, and I've grown so close to some of you seniors. So I hope you guys have a really good year next year. Bye.
Hi everyone, congratulations to all the seniors. I'm going to miss you guys so much next year. Thank you for being so welcoming to me and for becoming a second family. I'm so proud of each and every one of you, and I will always cherish the memories and friendships I've made. I can't wait to see what amazing things you guys do. Love you all.
Hey seniors, just want to say sorry your year got cut short, and I know I don't know you too well because I'm a freshman, and I wouldn't know you as well as like a sophomore or a junior, but I do know that you guys are all amazing and you're going to be doing amazing things, and we're all going to miss you, and props to you guys for putting up with us crazy freshmen. Sorry about that. But yeah, thanks for being great role models and for making my first year great at Lake Catholic.
Hi seniors, congratulations on making it through high school. I'll miss you all very much and make sure to come visit next year. Bye.
Hey seniors, it's Ryan. I just want to say good luck on your future college endeavors, especially Joe in my section and Emmy that were sort of my section for concert band. You guys did a good job, and good luck on your whatever you do in college. It'll go well for you. Thanks for making my 2 years of marching band so far just that much better.
All right, here we go. I'm sure I have many things to apologize for, but I'm going to apologize in advance for all of this because I had no idea this little project was even happening until Mrs. Brett sent me a message a couple of hours ago saying it was due tonight. So here I am approaching midnight with apparently less than 2 minutes to say what I have no idea I'm going to say, and that is not a lot of time. I am not so lucky that I get to spend as much time with you guys as most of your other teachers. And possibly partially owing to that, I know that my general MO is to be a goofball, and it would be a lie to try and suggest otherwise. But through all of the come on sons, all of the late arrivals, all of the jokes trying to get you, Slig, or Posey to laugh, and we should probably be getting more work done, all of that is time very well spent because you are all family. And best that I can tell from knowing you, you are all good people, which is all that any of us can really wish for you as you finish your time here at Lake Catholic. It's no secret you guys were dealt a very rough hand here for the end of your senior year, but I hope that you will all be ready to rock it out of this, ready to share yourself on the next part of your journey, because anyone you meet will be better for knowing you just as we are all better for having known you over the last 4 years. It has been a sincere honor and a joy to get to know all of you, to work with you, and to watch you grow. And I wish you all nothing but the best. Congratulations, and there's really no such thing as goodbye, so I'll see you soon.
Hi seniors, Ms. Orsak here. I wanted to wish you all congratulations. I know this year did not end the way anyone expected it to. However, I have faith that not only the classes you've taken at Lake Catholic, but also the friends you've made and the lessons you have learned will prepare you for whatever that next step is. To the marching band seniors, I've enjoyed getting to know you all better than any class before. I've gotten to spend all 4 of your marching band experience with you, but also like the last 2 years I've been teaching at Lake Catholic and getting to see you in the halls and chat with you. I've enjoyed watching you grow into strong young men and women. To the auxiliary seniors, you always hold a special place in my heart. You ladies are kind, talented, and motivated. You have amazing things ahead of you, and I can't wait to see the great things that you accomplish. Good luck to the class of 2020 on your next adventure.
Hi seniors, it's Mrs. Bretz. I just wanted to say congratulations on your graduation. I know this isn't how you wanted it to be, but it's in these moments that will define you and how you will face things in the future. And as Lake Catholic Cougars, I know you're going to be able to face anything that comes your way. It's been an honor to know you. I can never get through these without crying. It has been an honor, and I love you all so much, and wish you nothing but the best for your future. Stop by and see us. Let us know how you're doing, And remember, once a cougar, always a cougar. Love you all.
Hello, Performing Arts Class of 2020. This is Mr. Slike. For those of you who don't know, you have the distinct honor of being my first 4-year class at Lake Catholic. When I was hired on as a faculty member, you were all incoming freshmen. And so naturally, I've come to know you guys more and watch you guys grow more than any of my prior students. So you guys are always going to hold a special place in my heart as being the firsts. So with that, I went ahead and compiled a list of buzzwords just kind of encompassing some of the stuff that we've all been through together over the last 4 years, including these words: jungle, fiddler, Americana, dashing through the snow, American salute, planes, trains, and automobiles, little shop, space, sci-fi, disco, Star Trek, Guardians of the Galaxy, Queen, South Pacific, cinema, 1812, bombastic, Greece, decades, klezmer, and of course, Rosanna. So with that, I'd like to leave you with a couple bits of sage advice from the Anointed One, Jesus of Nazareth. These are bits of practical advice that I think you can take with you into adulthood and use regularly. First one, render to Caesar the things that are Caesar's, and to God the things that are God's. And secondly, let he who is without sin cast the first stone. Performing Arts Class of 2020, congratulations.
Hey guys, Mr. Posey here. I know you'd expect to see me at a podium telling you all the wonderful things about this past year and this past season, but things being a little bit different now, I thought I'd show you a little bit of the beauty of nature, and we'd chat for just a minute here on our gazebo at my house. It's been really, really hard for me to think of what to say to you all, to either make you feel better or make you feel that you've had a full school year. But in that thinking, I've come up with some other things instead. Your work this past fall was really, really great. The consistency from performance to performance I thought was really, really just tremendous and on point. The amount of fun and camaraderie that we shared this fall was a blast. And that carries through into other parts of other activities throughout the remaining part of the school year. So in that regard, I don't feel that anything was lost. I feel that maybe there were just some other moments that you didn't get completeness or fullness of what you were hoping for or what you were looking for. But I have to tell you, I don't necessarily feel that as much as you may. I'm sure that you are growing now. I'm sure that you've grown more now at the time that we've been apart in ways that you never thought you'd have to, or in ways that you never dreamt you could. So I think of you all from fun and happy and all the great times that we had in the fall and throughout the rest of the year. And I've always told you from the day that you come in, I have two images of you guys. You as freshmen, and then you guys when you graduate. And the amount of growth that happens in between those two times is absolutely astonishing. But this is my challenge to you. I've said it all year, and I don't know why I felt it, but I just knew that it was the case. That the times being what they are right now, and even before we've all been in quarantine, times were changing, I think, in a lot of ways for the worse. And I've always said that you guys will be called upon to be the leaders of the future. And not just in name, but in practice. So that's my challenge to all of you. I have faith in you, I believe in you, and you truly are going to be the future of this world. Not just this nation, but of this world. And to those that are given much, much is expected. And I think you guys have had so much in the past 3.5 to 3 3/4 years. So a lot is going to be expected of you now. So it's time, and I've been doing a lot myself, it's time to stop kind of wallowing and feeling sorry for ourselves and just to pick it up and make this world exactly what you want it to be, because you have the power within you to do that. I'm very proud of you guys. I love you guys. And I can't wait to see what you do in the future. Thank you.